Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, September the 7th, and this is your pre opening comment. It is video number 926. I remind you, please give me a like and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, too. All right, plenty of little news around, nothing overwhelming. Asia is up a little, Europe is mixed. Uh, there is the announcement from Hyundai that they have developed a 670 horsepower hydrogen hybrid engine for some of their vehicles. I'm always amazed at the size of the rating of horsepower on some of these things. I don't know what they're going for, but you know, 700 horsepower seems like a lot to me. Okay, there's a little bit of weakness around based on talks about the debt ceiling. What you have to remember about that is it would be unprecedented for us to default on any debt because of the debt ceiling being breached already back at the end of July, and the Treasury, screwing around with, you know, different processes for making that look better. But the big issue is that this is something that requires 60 votes, not 51, in the Senate. And this will be a big negative. People will play it up, and it could set off a bit of that September swoon that we tend to get this time of the year. A couple of stocks that have moved incredibly over the last couple of days. There's IRNT. This is a merger into a SPAC. Just last week on Friday, the stock was 14 up 23%. This is, as I said, cybersecurity. This morning, it's trading at 35 up 1834 or 82%. There is no news, just the general news about cybersecurity. Forte Pharmaceuticals, FBRX, they had a dermatitis trial that only reached an endpoint of 58%, showing what they expected. Their expectation was just over 60%, and that doesn't seem like a lot, but take a look at what it actually has done. The stock was trading here around 54, traded as high last September as 54. Today trading 497, and that's down. It shows down 9 cents, but the fact is on Friday it was 506, and that was down 23 and change, or 82%. Another one that we've watched a bit, Cassava, they too had a problem with a trial, and the stock was 146 in late July. Let's go back to the daily. Broke hard in July from that 124 all the way down to 65 in a 2-day period. Then it rallied back up as high as 126, but the day that it broke again, the previous day it had closed at 117, had a 3-day move down to 49 and change, made another new recent low here at 45.75, and right now it's down about $3. There's no real economic news, but we do have earnings today from COUP. which is up from about 206 to 268. This is also another really nice mover, and it's a software company. But again, it has come up from 203 to 268 on Friday. And so, it's a little overbought. And if there's any kind of disappointment there, you will see it. Casey's General Store around 206, they report UiPath, which is a recent deal with a range of 90 to 57. Currently trading around 64. In corporate news, we have Match going into the S&P that is trading 165, up almost 17 or 11.5%. We have Ryanair walking away from talks with Boeing. Doesn't really hurt Boeing much. It's down $1. And Spotify being upgraded by KeyBank, trading 258.5, up 946. We have the oil coming in a bit now that the hurricane seems to be by. I told you, and I put in my charts with comments over the weekend, the fact that this was an area of resistance. And remember, we had basically a 2-day holiday for us. So we have Friday's close up here at just under 70, up $1.40. And then we have a move to the downside this morning of $1.41. Puts us back into the area of support. Could go to 67, maybe a little lower than that. Has already traded 67.44. 67.64, sorry. And yesterday's action in it was down and then rallied back higher, as high as 69 and change. Gold is down $20. Silver is down 40 cents. The stock futures are nowhere. Up $1.50 in the S&P, up $3.25 in the NAS, and up 23 in the Dow, up $2 in the Russell. The dollar is stronger, so you can figure that that's part of the decline in the gold. And Bitcoin reversed itself above Ethereum. Ethereum is down a chunk today, 218, while Bitcoin is up 290. However, at 51,000, Bitcoin is 2,145 off its high. Just give you a look to see what that one looks like. Finally breaking out the way that the Ethereum did 2 weeks ago. But as I said, right back into this area where it broke down from. So we look like we could come in a bit. If this does not reverse during the day, I would expect to see it back down around 48,500. All right, everyone. There you have it. A new week to begin after Labor Day. No more PUA, extra $300 a week. I guess we'll see what retail spending looks like when the government isn't financing it. Have a good one. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll be back later.